Hello everyone, welcome to Nishchala's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a South Indian delicacy. It is tomato pepper rasam. Along with its various health benefits, this is a must for a South Indian lunch or a dinner. Let's start. I will also tell the story about how this rasam has emerged. Okay, for this, take 3 tomatoes and 1 lemon-sized tamarind and boil it in 1 glass of water. Do not add more water. We are just boiling these so that we can make juice out of the tomatoes and tamarind. And we have to make a small masala powder for this rasam. For that, I took 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of zira and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 5 to 7 garlic pods. Take all these into a mixer jar and make a fine powder out of these. I told you I'll tell the story behind the rasam, right? There was once a king who hosted a party for few people in his kingdom. Towards the end of the event, the kitchen staff ran out of sambar. I will continue the story. Let's look at our dish. After the tomatoes and tamarind got cooked, bring them into room temperature and make juice out of it and keep. Now for tempering, take a small pan, add oil, add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds and 1 tablespoon of tuar dal and give them a good mix. And add 2 red chilies also to it and 3 garlic pods. Mix them nicely and after the tuar dal changes its color, add half teaspoon of asafoetida and give it a good mix. Asafoetida is not only a taste enhancer but it also has many health benefits. See, I have added half teaspoon of it and I am mixing it nicely. After that, we'll have to add few curry leaves to it. See, I have added fresh curry leaves from my garden and our tempering is ready. Now we have to pour this tempering into the rasam that we have prepared. And I forgot to mention while I was taking juice from the tomatoes and tamarind, I have added salt and I have tasted it before I am adding the tempering to it. Now add the powder that we have prepared in the starting. We have made one powder, right? We have to add that entire powder into this rasam. After adding it, give it a good mix and put it on the stove. See, I have put it on the stove and slowly bubbles started coming in the corners. We shouldn't overboil it. We should just boil it until we see good amount of bubbles coming in. Now, let's get back to our story. Until where did we see the story? Huh. One of the head cooks decided to make a dish with the remaining ingredients from sambar and he named that dish as rasam. He used the leftover tur dal, tomato, tamarind and various other spices. And surprisingly, that rasam turned out to be exceptionally delicious. And that's how rasam is originated from that moment onwards. And let's go back and see the rasam. If you have noticed in the video, I have kept lid and I have added curry leaves and that's it. Our rasam is done. This tastes great in winters, especially when the weather is so cold. This rasam is a great combination just to have with rice. Or you can even take it in a bowl and just have it like a soup. I forgot to share one tip. I have never kept ladle until the rasam is totally done. I just made juice out of the tomatoes and tamarind and I added the powder and I added the tempering and after I have removed the lid then only I have kept the ladle. You should not keep mixing rasam while it is in boiling stage or while it is getting cooked. No, you shouldn't. At the last you should see how tasty and steaming rasam is ready. I hope you will try this at home and you will share it with your friends and family members as well. And do let me know how it turned out to be. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching Nestila's Kitchen.